ESD, Electrostatic Discharge, control flooring not only protects sensitive electronic components but also enhances worker comfort and productivity in static-controlled environments. These static floors are designed to dissipate static charges, reducing the risk of electrostatic discharge that could damage equipment or harm workers. However, they also offer several other benefits that directly contribute to a better working environment. Comfortable footing. ESD vinyl flooring is made from materials that provide a more cushioned surface compared to hard concrete floors. This reduces strain on workers' feet and joints, especially in environments where employees are standing for long periods. The added comfort can lead to less fatigue and improved overall well-being. Reduced static shock. Static control flooring minimizes the risk of static buildup, preventing workers from experiencing uncomfortable or even dangerous static shocks. By maintaining a stable, static-free environment, employees can focus on their tasks without the distraction or discomfort of electrical discharges. Improved focus and efficiency. With a safer and more comfortable environment, workers are able to focus better on their tasks, increasing productivity. Improved air quality. Low TVOC ESD PVC flooring minimizes the release of harmful chemicals, which can help improve indoor air quality and reduce the risk of respiratory issues, headaches, or dizziness caused by high VOC levels.